Shiver me timbers, boys!
We gotta go to the bank because we got something to go buy.
Yeah.
I like that shirt.
Virginity ruckus.
Virginity ruckus.
Yes, because virginity does ruckus.
Okay, well, we got our cash. So we're going to this very shady place right now. It's out in the middle of nowhere.
I heard
they have a herd of goats. So,
onward is what you would call it. Onward, that way. Oh. Shiver me timbers, here we go.
okay guys, well we're here. This has actually turned into a goat rescue because if you happen to notice, and you can hear the goat, right? What, you wanna call it again?
Hello?
You hear it? Oh, here it is, look, he is chained up.
You're
That is her. That's who we're saving, bro. She is like chained up to the fence.
Are you kidding me? What is with goats that look like this? Oreo is the same way.
I know, but look at her. Okay, whether Paul likes her or not, we're taking her. I will happily pay for this goat. It's okay, come here. It's okay. Yes? I mean, you feel like it, right?
Oh yeah, I definitely feel like
definitely.
Oh my god, make that noise again. It was so cute.
Welcome to Miami, boys.
Yeah.
All right, well, we got this cute little mama goat right here, and we are pretty sure she's pregnant. We're not sure about what, but she's super cute, and she's actually kind of clean. I mean, like the inside of her ears are all clean. Her mouth is nice and clean. She looks good. I say we get in here and surprise Paul with this. What do you think?
Yeah.
You want to wrap her up in the sheet?
That's what I was gonna say. Hold her.
Yes.
Okay,
let's go. Well, we are here at the Paul Cuffaro mini farm, and oh my gosh, your shoes. Probably. Brenton just bought brand new white Vans to walk through. And here we go.
In a blanket.
Don't worry about what's in the blanket. I talked to you about what you would like for your farm.
Yes.
So I brought you the goat himself.
He's definitely not the goat. Yeah, you did. I'll tell you again, he's definitely not the goat.
He's definitely not.
You know who is the goat? Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is definitely the goat. Good
Okay.
old Jimmy. Finatic, I'll give you the goatette.
Come here. I don't know what this is. Let's see if we can get off in here somewhere and see.
Hey, bud. I know, she flaps like a butterfly. Hi, baby.
She does.
Oh my god, she's like very cute.
She is, and she's super calm and has a great temperament.
She looks delicious. You're so cute. You're a little brown teeth. Oh my god. Oh, she's huge. Is she pregnant?
We may find out that
she's pregnant. She's pregnant.
She's gonna have babies.
She's pregnant. 100. Dude, I know what they look like when they're pregnant. That's a pregnant goat. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
And now you got 3 goats and
Let's
one
go
goat.
bring them over to the goats. Yeah.
These are your new friends, bud. Look at Emmy.
So Paul, what do you think, dude?
I'm stoked, man.
Yeah, and especially if she's pregnant.
Pregnant? Oh,
like,
if she's pregnant, then we get
you
some
got
more
like
goats.
you got like 4 for 1, 3 for 1.
Yeah, 3 for 1.
Right? Warning. The clip you're about to see will include feeding live fish to predator fish. If you do not like watching this kind of thing, please stand by as this will be over in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe before you go if you haven't already. Well, unfortunately, fish have to eat. Look at this poor little guy. You see this? This is little Johnny, and Johnny wants to get eaten. Woohoo! I have to say that I think I'm gonna cry.
He got yeeted.
He did get yeeted. Did you say yeeted?
Yeeted.
Yeeted. Yeeted? Yeeted. He got yeeted and yeeted. All right, guys. So as you saw, we just surprised Paul with a rescue goat. And if you saw, the place that we got it from, dude, was just like...
It was bad.
Terrible, right?
That was definitely bad.
Yeah, it was. We went to buy the goat for Paul to surprise him, and it turned into being a rescue mission. Those types of situations, I'm happy dropping hundreds of dollars to get animals out of that situation and get them into places like this. If you want to see more of the animals, make sure that you stay tuned for the next video because I'm actually going to be dropping a Paul Cuffaro mini farm tour narrated by by Finatic.
Hey.
So just
It's great.
make sure you come and watch.
I would say every animal.
All right. Alright guys, well I wanted to stop for just 1 second and talk about what you just saw. If you were in a situation where you find an animal in this type of environment, please report it. Stop what you're doing, take 30 seconds and make a phone call. So if you're in the United States, I'm gonna link the number to the ASPCA below. You can also call your local law enforcement. For anybody that is here from Paul's channel, I greatly appreciate it and thank you for supporting him and allowing him to do what he does, because I will tell you, Paul is a good guy. He has a big heart and he would do anything and everything he could for his animals and honestly his friends too. I appreciate you guys that are watching that support Paul. What I'm going to lead you into here is, this is Little Max Robert filming an outro for this specific video right here. It's just great to watch Paul interact with him and kind of teach him the ways within YouTube. So I'm not going to cut this down very much. This is raw, unedited footage of Max and Paul interacting on getting this outro taken care of. So I appreciate it. If you haven't followed me on Instagram and you haven't subscribed, please do that now and watch this.
If you haven't followed us on Instagram or subscribed to our channel, do that now. And if you haven't subscribed to Paul, go do that now.
Thanks.
Yeah, see, look at that. And then you had one other thing to say.
Okay, let's try this. Ready? Put tone in.
Listen to him. He's
So
trying to teach you.
be like, if you have not done so already, you know what I mean? Be like, if you have not done so already, subscribe down below.
Try it again.
And I know how when we talk to each other, it's like, subscribe to my channel down below. But when you're telling someone else, you gotta be like,
You gotta be excited.
yo, what's up, everyone? Subscribe. You know what I'm saying?
See? Try it again. Ready?
If you haven't subscribed to the channel or followed us on Instagram, do that now. And if you haven't subscribed to Paul, go do that now too.
It's getting better.
See you later.
And follow him on Instagram.
And
Hey.
one more thing you had to say, right? What were you gonna tell Paul?
Thanks for having us over.
High five.
And what else?
What else?
You were gonna ask him if he
You
liked
gotta
his
leave
goat.
all this in. I think it's
Yeah.
You gotta leave it all in.
You were gonna ask him if he liked his goat.
Do you like the goat?
I love the goat, and I hope it's pregnant, because if we have baby goats, that'd be sick. You have to come over when the birth happens.
Absolutely. Tell him, say, you gotta promise me that you'll name one of the babies Max.
Max, you want one of
Gerald.
these? Gerald.
Gerald.
All right.
He's
there
like a
it
mini
is.
fanatic already.
I know, right?
If you haven't subscribed to the channel or followed us on Instagram, do that now. And if you go to Paul Cuffaro's channel, go subscribe to him and follow him on Instagram. And we'll see you on the next one.